Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to fix the broken or cracked app icon on the Duolingo. So the Duolingo app icon appearing as broken or cracked is a feature tied to a specific promotional events, app updates, or gamified challenges introduced by Duolingo. It's not an error or glitch, but a creative visual change by the developers to engage users or highlight a milestone. So there is really nothing to worry about the application icon of the Duolingo being cracked or broken. But if you prefer the standard of Duolingo icon, you can follow these steps. So make sure to ensure that your Duolingo is up to date or it is to the latest version. So just go to App Store, Google Play Store, and if it appears to have a update button in here, you have to tap on it if it's available. You can also clear cache for Android users. So to do that, just go to settings, tap on apps, then go to Duolingo. And then once you do that, you can see the storage. And once you tap on the storage, you can see clear cache there. So you just have to tap on clear cache. And once you're done with that, reopen the application to see if the icon resets. Now, if that still doesn't work, you can try uninstalling the Duolingo from your device. So what you're going to do is long press the Duolingo and then remove application. Once you're done removing the application, you can go to their App Store or Google Play Store and then reinstall the version. Once you have reinstalled the application, then you should see the app icon reset to the default version. But if the issue still persists, and you suspect it's a bug, you can reach out to the Duolingo support. So to do that, just open their application, go to settings and tap on help, or visit the Duolingo support on their Google official website. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you with the next one. Bye!